ఇప్పుడు మనం సిల్వర్ ఓక్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ డిజైన్లో ఉన్నాం అనమాట. మనకి ఇక్కడ డిజైన్ ల్యాబ్స్, డిజైన్ క్లాస్ రూమ్స్ అన్ని ఇక్కడ ఉంటాయి. లోపలికి ఎలా ఉందో చూద్దామండి. సో ఇది మొత్తం మనకి డిజైన్ కోసం అనమాట. సో ఇక్కడ డిజైన్ ల్యాబ్స్, డిజైన్ క్లాస్ రూమ్స్ అన్నీ ఉంటాయి. మనతో పాటు మేడం ఉన్నారు. మేడంతో మాట్లాడి క్లాస్ రూమ్స్ అవి ఎలా ఉంటాయి, ల్యాబ్స్ అవి ఎలా ఉంటాయని తెలుసుకుందాము. హలో మ్యామ్.
Hello sir.
Could you please explain about this lab and the classrooms, how it is there in design?
Sure. So basically what happens, this is a design wing at the university, and at our wing you will be looking at all the labs we provide to our students. So if you don't have computer, it's okay, we have high-tech computer labs, Mac lab, and also you get to see our studio collections that we curate from all over the India, which is craft, basically meant for students to study from it. We have gone through multiple places, a lot of different work, not just sketching but also physical models and tangible keychains of what they have designed. This is our visual communication department, and if you go inside you'll see kids are working basically for graphic design, filmmaking, animation, photography, UI, UX or user interface, and everything will be part of this department. So they learn here, basically they study, they do their classwork here, and then they process it under the Mac labs we have.
సో చూశారు కదా, మనం డిజైన్ క్లాస్ రూమ్స్లో ఉన్నాము. ఇది ల్యాబ్స్ అనమాట, మ్యాక్ ల్యాబ్స్ ఉంటాయి. స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎవరన్నా ల్యాబ్స్ వాడుకుని ఏదైనా చేయాలి అనుకుంటే క్రియేటివిటీగా ఈ మ్యాక్ ల్యాబ్స్ కూడా మనం వాడుకోవచ్చు. మనకు ఆల్రెడీ సిఎస్సి వాళ్ళ కోసం డిఫరెంట్ ల్యాబ్స్ పైన చూసాం కదా. సో ఇది డిజైన్ వాళ్ళ కోసం, వాళ్ళు ఏదైనా సపరేట్గా దీని మీద చేయాలనుకుంటే, కొత్త మోడల్స్ ఏదైనా క్రియేట్ చేయాలన్నా, చాలా ఇంటీరియర్ డిజైనింగ్లో చాలా కోర్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, వాటికి రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ప్రకారం ఏదైనా చేయాలంటే ఈ ల్యాబ్ని వాళ్ళు యూజ్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉంటారు.
What we are looking at right now, it's our museum room. We call it a museum room because this is a place where you see a lot of crafts. Indian crafts are collected from all over the India, where these crafts are basically meant to look and observe and study from them. So these are basically meant for our students, and these museum rooms and everything is open for our students. Even not just the fabric and the textiles, you'll also see a lot of furniture, which is a solid wood furniture, which is coming directly out of a trunk and very deformative. The beauty and aesthetics are also into the nature. So directly taking them and implementing. So we are trying to make them study what authentic craft looks like and how it feels like and what you can learn from it. And you can implement that in your everyday learning process. So these are lippen art, a craft that basically we call artisans from all over, like the artisans who are specialized in this field, and they are here to teach our kids for like to how to take this craft forward. Yeah, another interesting things, again the kalamkari, we have calls to artisans from outside to teach, because we focus a lot of things to be taught by artisans in a genuine manner rather than us teaching them in a modern format. So we believe in authentic learning and the genuine learning. So we want them to incorporate their learning to their modern education. So this is our first year classroom. You'll see a lot of work that these kids are doing right now. But the work you'll see inside, it is on a display that is a module called Environmental Perspective, where we have taken our students to a place. There is a historical place in Ahmedabad, it's called Adalajni Wow. It is basically a step well for the water. And the basics to what these kids have done, this they have seen the place, experience it, and make their own representation of it, where you can go inside and see, you can touch and feel the texture they have achieved and the carving details they have had. Also you will see a lot of sketches that they have drawn free-handedly without scales, and also their process of learning the structure and the monument and everything, that everything you will be able to see inside.
మనం ఇప్పుడు సిల్వర్ ఓక్ యూనివర్సిటీలో ఫ్యాషన్ అండ్ టెక్స్టైల్ డిజైన్ క్లాస్ రూమ్స్లో ఉన్నాం అనమాట. మనతో పాటు హెచ్ఓడి సార్ ఉన్నారు. హాయ్ సార్. సార్ మనకి అసలు ఫ్యాషన్ డిజైనింగ్లో ఏమేమి బ్రాంచెస్ ఉన్నాయి, ఏమేమి కోర్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి, సో దానికి స్కోప్ ఎలా ఉండింది, మొత్తం డీటెయిల్స్ అన్ని సార్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు. హాయ్ సార్.
Hi, myself Sanjay Kumar. I am HOD of Fashion and Textile Design Department in Silver Oak Institute of Design Institute. So mainly I will talk about what is design. Okay, so design is a field where we fuse art and technology. Okay, so designer always work for the problem solving. We solve problems of our society, like how design can contribute to their lifestyle or their requirements. So we are offering multiple programs, like 4 departments we have. First is fashion and textile design, another is visual communication design, third is interior and furniture design, and another is, the last one is product design. So as we all know that for fashion and textile design, we create innovative and creative outfits through fabrics, through surface ornamentation, and through perfect silhouette or comfortable silhouette. Okay, and visual communication is all about graphics related, like how visual will look or how we can make movies, ads and campaigns. And interior design is all about how we design spaces, like any furniture, any wardrobe our in home. Okay, and product designing is all about designing a product. It can be a utility product or it can be an innovation which can solve the problem of any customer as per requirement. That's it.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.